What's going on, everybody? Matthew with Roach Brothers Lawn Care here. Today we got our first battery-powered backpack blower in, and it's an Echo series. This specific model is the DPB-5900T. This is the Echo X series lineup backpack blower, and many others are in that lineup also. So right now we're going to go over a few specs, and then we're going to blow some leaves with it and see how it does. So a few things about this blower, the spec-wise, is 795 CFMs, 195 miles per hour blowing speed, and what all backpack blowers go off of is newtons. This specific blower, with all three 56-volt 8.0 batteries, has up to 25 newtons of blowing power, which is very powerful when it comes to a professional-grade backpack blower. All right, so let's get to it. We're going to start blowing some leaves. Alright everybody, so this specific blower comes with 3 of the Echo 56-volt 8.0 batteries. These batteries have 3 ports to go into. This backpack blower comes with 3 battery ports. They clip right in, and this specific model will run on 2 batteries. In a second I'll show you their type of fuel gauge for this specific blower with the batteries, but it will run on 2 batteries. 3, your gauge will show you full power. All right, so when all 3 of your batteries are in the 3 ports, your gauge will tell you they're full, as long as those batteries are fully charged. And you'll see at the bottom here, all 3 green lights show that there's 1 battery in each port. With that, I'll show you now, when I take out 1 battery, what happens. So with 1 battery removed, it shows you that there's 1 battery missing. It's empty. But the other 2 are fully charged. So right now, this backpack blower has 2 batteries in, port 1 and 3, and both of those batteries are fully charged. You see the green lights right there. All green lights are on, and 1 and 3 are full, so you have full power. Now all 3 batteries are in, so it shows you port 1, 2, and 3 are fully charged up. There's 3 batteries in there. And your battery charge gauge up here shows full battery. Now once you start working, you'll notice this battery gauge will go down, and it monitors how much battery you have left, which is a very good indicator when you're out in the field. You need to monitor that and see when you need to add extra batteries or charge your current batteries up. So guys, like I said earlier, with these 3 batteries, the 56-volt 8.0s, you're going to get 40 minutes of runtime. 40 minutes of runtime on the turbo. So I'm going to show you that in a second. So if you have the turbo button held in, you're getting 40 minutes with 3 56 8.0 batteries fully charged. But without the turbo, you're going to get 55 minutes. And that's just on regular speed. I'll show you that in a second. But these batteries have the Echo name brand max out technology. The max out technology keeps the power levels constant the whole time, which is a very good thing when you're out in the field. So right now, this next clip, I'm going to show you guys what it's like on the turbo speed. Previously, we did the regular high speed, but this next clip is going to be the turbo speed button held in the whole time. All right, Dad. cosmetics I want to go over are your heavy duty shoulder straps and your back pad here. Big comfort levels. Big thumbs up on that, very comfortable. And then your blower tube. This blower tube is just like all the other Echo backpack blowers. You have your elbow and your 2 locking tubes, which you can adjust the height also. And you have your metal guard ring up front, which is technically called a scraper bar. So when you're hitting the concrete or hitting the floors, you're not messing up the plastic tube. The metal guard hits the bottom of the ground or the trailer floor. So everybody, my final thoughts on this blower is it is very powerful. When you have these 3 56 volt 8.0 batteries in there, you get a lot of power. I must say, we've had better outcome using this blower when it comes to mowing. But for this video here, I want to show you it's still very powerful when it comes to leaves. This backpack blower we've used for about 10 hours on our maintenance crew, and everybody likes it. When it comes to the weekly mow and go, nothing overgrown, nothing too crazy, it does absolutely fine. So if you're a professional and you're looking to have this out in the truck and the trailer for weekly mowing, maintenance accounts, landscaping, I'd say 2 thumbs up, good to go. For leaves, I don't think so. The power's there, but the time is not there. For heavy duty leaf cleanups, I wouldn't suggest this blower right now. A few models will come down in the future, maybe stronger batteries, but if you're looking for a battery powered backpack blower for lawn maintenance, landscaping, the quick mow and go, this is a solid blower, and I'd highly recommend this exact model, which is the DPB-5900T.